Thinking about reordering a sticker from us and not sure how to do it? Follow this quick tutorial with Marty and he will show you what to do. From the Stickermountain homepage, go to Account and from the drop-down menu, click Reorder. This is your personal reorder page. From here, it shows all the previous items you have ordered. Next, you'll choose the item you want to order. Let's choose this one. Click on the box to the left of the image to select it. Next, scroll down to the Add to Cart button to add the items into your cart. A message will pop up saying that the item or items have been successfully added to your cart. Let's check our cart to finish our order. Perfect! The item we selected earlier has been added to our cart. If we scroll down, we can see that the discount code has been applied. On this page, you can select the shipping option that works best for you. Then, you can proceed to checkout and finish up the final details from there. We hope this video has been helpful for you. Thank you for shopping with Stickermountain, and we look forward to printing your stickers soon. Stickermountain. The best part of us is to be a part of you.